Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about Guccn real or fake. Basically this website is named as Guccn number 8, right? And I have gone through this website and this is not a real website. This is completely a fake scam website. And why I'm saying this, right? I have some proofs which I can show up to you. The very first thing is that if you use a Play Store or App Store, let's just go here, and if you try to find this application, of course it's not available there. And do you know the reason why it's not available? Because this is a completely scam website. This is a trading website. Basically you can say a betting website. That's why Play Store and App Store doesn't allow this kind of application, and you can only download it from one of this, from this official website. Basically they have a website which is Guccn 8, right? And you can only download and install it from here. But if you try to download here, you can see there's no reviews, nothing. And here the publisher says as Guccn Limited. And if I just go to Google and search for Guccn Limited, there's no such company. Limited is something which is listed on the public market in the stock exchange, right? And Guccn 8 is not such companies. This is just one of the crypto scams. And if you just try to use the application, it will look like you can buy the cryptocurrency altcoin and everything. But when you just click on any one of them, they will show you the chart, and this chart is completely fake. It's not even real-time chart, right? So you can just believe that how at how level they are just scamming peoples, right? So make sure that do not download this application and do not try to open the link, because it may be harmful. And if you try to install it in your phone, it will say it's harmful for your device. Most of the time it says. And make sure don't download it from Google or somewhere on the third-party application. If it is only available in Play Store, from there you can download, but I'm sure it is not available there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.